Hello and welcome to my presentation. My chosen presentation will be on the Fast and Furious series, where I'll be talking to you about the use of nitrous oxide in the film. So what is nitrous oxide? Nitrous oxide, or dinitrogen monoxide, is a relatively inert gas which has the formula N2O. Dinitrogen monoxide was discovered in 1772 by Joseph Priestley and was initially used for recreational purposes. At room temperature, nitrous oxide is very stable and inflammable. It is a highly soluble gas and can dissolve in water, ethanol, ethyl ether, and also oils, to name a few. Dinitrogen monoxide can form two resonance forms. Therefore, the electrons can spread across the entire molecule, leading to a more stable molecule which is able to cope with the charges associated with it. Okay, so how does this link into the film? In the film, it's also known as NOS, or nitrous, and it's used to increase the horsepower of the cars during several of the racing scenes. This can create an opportunity, or even an advantage, over the opponents for a brief period by increasing the power available in the car at that given moment in time. Nitrous oxide work in the engines of the cars. Well, the engine block temperature is substantial enough to cause the thermal decomposition of the dinitrogen monoxide. This can create 2 moles of nitrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. As you can see from the equation, there are more moles of reactants. Therefore, this will increase the pressure in the system, increasing the pressure on the piston. Also, as oxygen is produced during the thermal decomposition, the overall combustion of the fuel will be cleaner and more efficient as there are more oxygen available. From the reaction, 82 kilojoules is created, which is mostly converted to heat. As the nitrous oxide is stored as a liquid, it will lower the intake temperature of the air, making the air more dense, allowing for a better air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. Okay, so what are some other uses of the nitrous oxide? Well, nitrous oxide can be used as an aerosol propellant. It has been used as a replacement for CFCs, as nitrous oxide is quite unreactive. It can also be compressed and also stored as a liquid. This can yield a high amount of gas once expelled from the canister. Nitrous oxide also has the preservative number E942 and can act as a preservative and is mainly used in whipped cream. Nitrous oxide can also be used as an anaesthetic, which in 1844, 72 years after its initial discovery, Dr. Horace Wells observed the analgesic effects that can be displayed in nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide acts as a cerebral depressant, which as a drug will reduce activity in the brain and will also reduce alertness, and in some cases can also result in a lack of consciousness altogether. Nitrous oxide is also beneficial as an anaesthetic in that it will not affect the vasomotor centre, which is situated in the medulla oblongata. This regulates the blood pressure and other homeostatic processes. Nitrous oxide will also not affect the respiratory system, which is also a benefit. Nitrous oxide also has its recreational uses. Known as laughing gas, people will inhale it. This can cause people to experience moments of euphoria and relaxation. It can also lead to people experiencing hallucinations in some cases. This has many dangers associated with it though, such as asphyxia, which is a deficit of oxygen in the body, and prolonged use can interfere with the action of vitamin B12, leading to damage in the nervous system and also bone marrow. Inhaling the nitrous oxide will lead to a complete loss of motor control, and the person inhaling the gas will reel and more than likely fall down. Okay, thank you for watching. Good night.